So we just got set up at Georgia Veterans State Park.
Yeah, it was a 4-hour trip from Alabama.
Yeah.
Good roads.
The roads were nice and long and, you know, like not a lot of crazy turns or bridges or anything. So you were able to go straight for a long time, which is nice. Coming into the state park, it's all the way back at the back of the Lake Blackshear Resort. And so there's a lot.
It's a lot going on today.
A lot going on today. There's some kind of music festival and barbecue festival.
Yeah.
A lot of boats.
A lot of boats, a lot of people.
It's a little bit of culture shock.
Yeah.
Because we went from Frank's that had 8 sites, it was silence, to bam.
This is almost like just a huge party.
Yeah.
I mean, nothing crazy yet, but it's just loud and busy. We're not used to that. It was a little tight getting in.
Yes.
Oh,
But you did great.
we both did very good and backed it right in.
First time.
Yeah.
Didn't even have to adjust it.
No. So
it's a narrow site, but it's a long site, and I think that helped.
it's probably 100-foot site, and we're backed up at the lake, and so that is great. A little windy, so we had to put the awnings in.
Yeah. But all in all, uneventful drive. We got lucky because I did leave the dog's water bowl full of water on the floor when we were driving, and so those absorbent mats like came through for us.
They must have been like diapers.
I'm really determined to break something on this camper is what it comes down to. So glad to be settled. Look forward to maybe tomorrow some people going home.
Yeah, thinning out a little bit.
Thinning out a little bit, and then we can start exploring.
Yeah.
Run out onto the little mops.
You go in between the rows.
Yeah,
it
goes over the plants.
Yeah, and it is you push it, the little mops and spin, mopping the thing on the mopping the liquid on.
That is crazy.
Get that one down, but you can stand behind it.
Yeah. So we went to the Andersonville National Historic Site in Andersonville, Georgia today. I think this is quite possibly one of the best museums we've ever been to.
Very detailed, documented.
It's a prisoner of war museum, and then this is the actual site of the Andersonville prisoner of war camp, which was a prisoner of war camp for Union soldiers in the Civil War.
Yeah.
And they've got all these places where these escape tunnels were built by prisoners, and they've kept them, fenced them off where you could see them, and it's just really, really cool.
Yeah, this place is big.
Yeah.
Big.
Yeah. It's been great to visit.